to be looking at the identifying the buttons and icons that are present on the Canva workspace, as we have already covered everything on the Canva homepage. So what is the Canva workspace? When you click on this button for creating a design, and for example, for the purpose of this video, I'm just gonna click on presentation, as it is one of the most common things that you will use Canva for, or I have used Canva for. And as I can see, it's like gives me a blank presentation, and there are a few buttons on the toolbar and also on the left hand side as well. So what are these buttons for? I can minimize this tab just as I had done. Oh, sorry. This is again to see all of my recent designs, to go back to home, to create a new design, or go back to the Canva homepage. And I can also hide this toolbar or get it out. Just clicking on this however I want. So now I can use the design tab is to look at templates, to look at layouts, and to look at styles. I'll be covering these topics later on in the future videos. This is just an overview. These are elements, so you can look up all sorts of elements that are available on Canva to you here. Text, where you can use it to add different kinds of texts. Brand, this is again a Canva Pro feature. For your brand, you can use different logos, photos, things like that, and generate them as well. And this is for uploading, so you can actually upload media, so all sorts of media, images, videos, or audios, to use in your presentations. You can also just directly draw on your whiteboard presentation thing. This is for your projects, so whatever projects you have, you can just directly load them in here. And this is the final thing, which is apps. This is again what you had seen earlier, the AI apps and things like that Canva you can use in Canva for different things. So yeah, there's a plethora of options here. And here again we see the file button, which allows you to save things, to make a copy, to download, to see the version history in case you're collaborating with more people, to view all the comments, things like that. Here the resize with magic switch allows you to resize your content to whatever size you want, but that's again a pro feature. This is the undo button, so I can undo things and I can also redo them. This is just to show that the changes are being saved. Over here I can just go here and name my presentation whatever I want, and that is what it will look like when I search for it on my main account. Then this is just showing that I am the owner of the presentation, and these are my insights. So my viewers are 0 currently and has 0 engagement, but yeah, that is it. And I can use this option to actually present my presentation or whatever I am presenting. This is an option to share my design, which I've already covered earlier, and you can also download it or share it to social media directly. Or there's a print with Canva option where you can just get it printed and they'll send it to your location that you put. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you.